Yeah. Hey.
Hi guys, today I'll share with you Makita 40-watt cordless dust blower. With a variety of tip nozzle, this model can meet a wide range of applications from professional use to home use, such as various blow-off works, filter cleaning, inflating and deflating of inflatable toys, and more. Four-stage air volume, selectable according to your application. Hanging hole enables to hang the machine like a factory air duster. Filter for preventing foreign matter from being sucked in. For usage time, with BL4025, which means 2.5 Ah battery, the mode 4 will last for 13 minutes, mode 3 will last for 17 minutes, mode 2 will last for 25 minutes, and mode 1 will last for 50 minutes.
Ở bên tàu, bên tàu.